In this video, I'll show you how the Manus AI agent is moving beyond simple chat to actually finishing your work for you. If you find this useful, subscribe and leave a like. Let's get into it. Most AI tools just give you a text and wait for you to do the heavy lifting. Whether you are on a phone or a computer, Manus is designed to take over the boring parts of your digital life. Before this, you had to research a topic, then manually create your own slides or spreadsheets. Now, Manus uses its own agent skills to browse the web, execute codes, and deliver finished files like PDFs or websites. It doesn't just tell you how to do it, it actually delivers the results. If you use AI for research or marketing, this means you can delegate a task and walk away while the agent works in the background. It can now handle long-running tasks like deep competitor analysis or building a full-stack mobile app from a single prompt. This is a massive shift for entrepreneurs who need an extra pair of hands without hiring a person. Here's what you have to do. Come to google.com and here in the search, just search for manus.im. Press enter. It will come here on top, the first option. Actually, this is what you're looking for, the one with the finger like. Just click on this option here. And just like that, it will bring you to the homepage for Manus. And here you can do different things. You can log in with your Google account. You can log in with the different signing options. And when you do that, you can start working with it and you can give it prompts. You can create slides, you can build websites, you can develop desktop apps, you can design, and even more. So it is really capable of so many different things. Wide research, spreadsheet, visualization, video, audio, chat mode, playbook, whatever you want to create. Manus is capable of doing it. So try it out and tell me what you think about it down in the comments. If you have any questions or you want me to go in details explaining more about how you use it, actually tell me also down in the comments. So if you found this video useful and you like more of such videos, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this. Otherwise, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.